Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to practice some more questions on coordinate geometry. So are you guys able to hear and see me? Hello Aryan, welcome to this session. Are you able to hear and see me properly? So we are going to practice some more questions on coordinate geometry. So let's start with it, guys. So over here you've got this question. We have to prove that this point x comma square root of 1 minus x square is at a distance of 1 unit from the origin. Can we do this question, guys? You have to prove over here that this point is at a distance of 1 unit from the origin. So suppose over here we have to obviously use the distance formula. The origin is what, guys? That is 0 comma 0. So the distance between this point and the origin will be what? You just can use the distance formula. Hi Shahida, welcome to this session. So using the distance formula, the distance will be what? Square root of x2 minus x1. So that will be x minus 0 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, right? So that is square root of 1 minus x square minus 0 the whole square. So this is the distance between these 2 points using the distance formula. Is it clear? So therefore over here it will be square root of x square, this is x square, plus square root of 1 minus x square the whole square, correct? Using the distance formula, this is the distance over here. Hello Shahida, welcome to this session. I hope this thing is clear. Now you have studied this property. If you have got something like this, square root of y the whole square, that is equal to y itself, correct? This thing you have studied in laws of exponents, guys. So basically, can I write it like this? Square root of x square plus 1 minus x square over here. So you see this will be cancelled out. So this is coming out to be equal to square root of 1, and that is 1. So have we proved that the distance between the points x comma square root of 1 minus x square and 0 comma 0 is nothing but 1 unit? Is the question clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in that, guys? Arya and Shahida, just confirm in the chat. Is this thing clear? Okay, so let's proceed, guys. So you have been given with this question in a triangle PQR. The coordinates of the points P, Q and R are given to you respectively. You have to find the coordinates of centroid over here. Also you have to find the areas of PQG and PRG over here. So you have been given with a triangle over here. It is given that it is PQR. So the coordinates of the vertices are 3, 2. Q is 6, 4, and the coordinates of R over here, they are equal to 9, 3. The centroid over here is G over here, guys. The centroid is G. So you have to first find the coordinates of the centroid over here. So what is the formula to find the coordinates of the centroid, guys? The coordinates of the centroid, they are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Basically, the mean of the x coordinates you have to find, and then you have to find the mean of the y coordinates, right? So the mean of the y coordinates, they are y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So the mean of the x coordinates and the mean of the y coordinates you have to find over here. So mean of the x coordinates will be what, guys? You just have to add them up. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 over here. So that will be 3 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 3 over here. And then the y coordinates will be 2 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 3 over here. So what are the coordinates of the centroid, guys? Just simplify. Hi Aryan, welcome to this session. So the coordinates of the centroid over here will be what? If you simplify, that is 9 plus 9 is 18, 3 6 are 18, and that is the y coordinate over here will be, that is 3. So the coordinates of the centroid over here, it is coming out to be 6, 3. Any doubt in the question, guys? The coordinates of the centroid is coming out to be equal to 6, 3 over here. Is this thing clear to every student in this session? Now it is given in the question that we have to find the areas of PQG and PRG. PQG and PRG over here, correct? PQG, this triangle's area, and PRG over here. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, Aryan, very good. So we have to find the area of this triangle. Let us do it, give me some seconds. Let us do it on this slide, right? So 3, 2, 6, 4, 9, 3, okay? So the figure was like this, 3, 2, 6, 4, and 9, 3 over here, right? And 9, 3 over here, right? And the coordinates of the centroid we have got to be equal to 6, 3, right? The coordinates of the centroid we have got to be equal to 6, 3. So we have to find the, okay, that was centroid, that is G, guys. We represent the centroid by G, correct? So we have to find the area of PQG and PGR. That was being asked, PRG and PQG over here. Do you agree with this thing, guys? This is the situation over here. I hope this is clear, Aryan and Shahida. So basically you have to understand this situation first, right? This situation is what, guys? If you have got a triangle over here, just understand it properly. If you have got a triangle, see, this is a median, and suppose this is the centroid. What is centroid? Centroid is point of intersection of the medians actually, right? So over here, if you join this thing, guys, just see it very properly. If you join this thing over here, a centroid divides a triangle into two triangles of equal areas. I'm not proving it over here, but the proof is very simple. Actually, if you take this to be the base, so for this triangle PQR over here, if you talk about triangle PQR over here, and suppose this is anything S, so area of triangle PQS and PRS, they will be equal, because a median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal areas, because you see base is same and the altitudes, the heights of triangle PQS and PRS, they will also be equal. So you see over here, if the area of this triangle over here is, if the area of this triangle is suppose X, this will also be X, because you see this is the median for triangle GQR or not, guys? This is the median for triangle GQR or not? Do you agree with that? So therefore the areas of these two triangles will also be equal, and we have already seen that area of triangle PQS and PRS will also be equal. So that is the logic, that if this is Y, this is also Y. I'm talking about the area. So basically area of PQG and PRG, they will be equal only. I hope this is clear to you. So it means if I find the area of whether PQG or PRG, we will get the same answer. You can also verify it. So if I find the area of triangle PQG over here, so let's write the values over here, guys. We can use the formula to find the area of a triangle, right? So the coordinates of the vertices, I'm taking PQG. So PQ and then G over here, 6, 3. So there is a pattern which I have already explained, right, that how to find the area of a triangle, the pattern to remember the formula. Okay, Aryan, so let's do that. So let's write the values 3, 2, 6, 4, 6, 3. The coordinates 3, 2, 6, 4, 6, 3, and then once again you will write 3, 2 over here, right? Once again you will write 3, 2 over here, correct? Now what you will do? The area will be equal to, I'm talking about the area of PQG over here. PQG, it will be half into modulus of, you will multiply the downward arrows, you see like this, multiply the downward arrows, 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. Now you will subtract the upward arrows, subtract the upward arrows. So that will be minus 12, minus 24, minus 9 over here, and the modulus of it. So you see over here we can cancel out this thing. So what we are getting over here, guys, this is half of, this thing is basically 30 over here, correct? This is 30, and what about this thing? This is minus 33. So this is basically half of modulus of minus 3. So modulus of a negative number is positive. So therefore area of this triangle is 3 by 2 square units, correct? Is it clear, Aryan and Shahida? So the area of the triangle PQG over here is coming out to be 3 by 2 square units. In the same manner, area of PGR will also be 3 by 2 square units only, because I have already proved that the areas of the triangles PQG and PRG, they will be equal. I hope this question is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that, guys? Okay, so let's move on. Let's do some other questions over here. Can you try doing this one, guys? It is given over here, if x comma y is a point on the line segment joining these 2 points, then we have to prove over here that x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Was it not clear, Aryan, the previous question which I was explaining? Okay, so basically it is given that x comma y is a point on the line segment joining these 2 points. So line segment joining the points a comma b over here will be a comma 0, it is given in the question, b 0 comma b over here, 0 comma b, and there is a point p lying on that. Suppose it is p x comma y, it is lying on that. Okay. Now we have to prove this thing. So you see, we have studied the condition for collinearity, right? If 3 or more points are collinear, 3 points are collinear over here. So can I not say over here that area of triangle APB will be 0? See, you will say that actual area is not being formed. That is correct. Only Hindi is not possible, Pravesh. I hope समझ रहे होगे तुम. वैसे क्वेश्चन क्लियर है, बताओ. बिकॉज एक्चुअली बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं समझ पाएंगे प्रवेश. अदरवाइज मुझे कोई पर्सनल मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं है हिंदी बोलने में सिर्फ. तो आई होप तुम समझ रहे हो प्रवेश. ठीक है, चलो. सो कंडीशन फॉर कोलिनियरिटी इज व्हाट गाइस? कोलिनियर मींस यू कैन थिंक ऑफ एन हाइपोथेटिकल ट्रायंगल फॉर्म बाय दीज 3 पॉइंट्स, but you know that that triangle is not actually being formed. So can I not say that area of triangle APB is 0? Okay, so area of triangle APB is 0. So we can use the formula. It will be half into modulus of, you remember the formula, x1 y2 minus y3. Then it will be x2 y3 minus y1. Then it will be x3 y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is 0 minus y. y1 minus y2, the modulus, and that is equal to 0. Do you agree with that? So you see, this is half multiplied to it, so it will be multiplied on the other side of the equation and it will become 0. So basically what I am getting, modulus of ay minus ab plus xb, and you see this is 0 and this whole thing is 0. So modulus of this is coming out to be 0. Do you agree with this thing? Now you see, if modulus of something is 0, then obviously there is no other possibility but to take the same thing equal to 0 itself. There is no other possibility. So you have to take ay minus ab plus xb to be equal to 0. So ay minus ab plus xb, that is equal to 0. Do you agree with this thing, guys? I hope this thing is clear up till here. Now what I can do, can I take ab on the other side of the equation? So I can write ay plus bx, and that is equal to ab over here. Correct? Now can I divide on both the sides of this equation by ab? I can divide on both the sides of this equation by ab. So if I am dividing, so I will get ay plus bx divided by ab, that is equal to ab by ab. Now what is ab by ab, guys? That will be 1 only. Correct? That is equal to 1 only. So from here, if I separate out the denominators, can I not say it is ay by ab plus bx by ab, and that is equal to 1 only. So you see, this will be cancelled out or not? You see, b will be cancelled out. So from here, are we getting x by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1? Have we proved it, guys? Any doubt in this thing, guys, up till here? Tell me. Any doubt in the question? Shahida, Aryan, Pravesh? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. ओके, क्लियर है या क्लियर नहीं है आर्यन, बताओ. प्रवेश, इज इट क्लियर? शहीदा, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ओके, Okay, fine. Okay, so let us do this question. It is given over here, if these points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to BC. Okay, Aryan. These are the points of the, these are the coordinates of the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So we have to find the value of 2x plus y. So it is given over here that AB is equal to BC. So it's a direct distance formula question, right? AB is equal to BC is given to us already. So can we use the distance formula, guys? And you see, you know that square root will come in distance formula, right? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So can I not square over here itself so that I will not write the square root in the next step? Do you agree with me? So AB square over here will be what, guys? It will be x minus 3 the whole square, correct? Plus y minus 2 the whole square I can say over here, and that is equal to BC square over here. So can I not say that it is x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square? I can say that over here. Is it clear? Now from here, if I open up this bracket, you see this is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. This is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. So I can use the formula a plus b the whole square identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So I can say that it will give you x square plus 6x plus 9. Over here I can use a minus b the whole square formula. So can I not say it is y square minus 4y plus 4? And on the other side of the equation again I am using the same formula. So it will give you x square minus 2x plus 1. And if I use the same formula over here, I will get y square minus 8y plus 16, correct? So this is the whole situation up till here, guys. So from here, can I not cancel out x square, y square over here? So what I can write over here, guys? So basically, if you further simplify, if you take 2x on the other side of the equation, so what you will get? You will get 8x over here. And if I take this 8y over here, so 8y minus 4y, that will be plus 4y over here. And if I take the numbers on the other side of the equation, so basically this is 16 plus 1, 17, right? This is 17 and this is 9 plus 4 is 13. So on the other side of the equation, I'll get 4. I hope this thing is clear. Now can I divide the equation? Can I divide the equation by 4 on both these sides? So basically I will get 2x plus y, that is equal to 1. Is the question clear to everybody? 2x plus y is equal to 1 is the answer. I hope this thing is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in the question, guys? Shahida, Aryan, Pravesh, is it clear? Yeah, 1 is the correct answer, Aryan, because we have to find the value of 2x plus y. So we have got already 2x plus y is equal to 1. That is the answer, right? So let's move on to the next question. Can you try doing this one? A point P on the x-axis divides the line segment joining these 2 points in a certain ratio. So you have to find the coordinates of point P over here. You have to find the coordinates of point P over here. A point P on the x-axis. So you have to understand from the situation itself that suppose there is a line segment joining the points 4, 5 and 1, minus 3. 4, 5 and 1, minus 3. It is being divided by x-axis. So it is somewhere over here, right? X-axis is somewhere over here, correct? I don't know the orientation and I don't need the orientation of the x-axis with respect to this line segment. That is not being asked in the question, right? Now over here you have to find the coordinates of the point P. This is the point P, I mean the point of intersection of the x-axis and the line segment joining the points 4, 5 and 1, minus 3. So you know that this point is also lying on the x-axis, and you know that any point lying on the x-axis is of this form or not, tell me. Any point lying on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. The y coordinate or the ordinate of any point lying on the x-axis is 0. Now we don't know the actual ratio over here. So can I assume that that ratio is k is to 1 over here? Can I assume that this px, 0 is dividing the line segment joining 4, 5 and 1, minus 3 is k is to 1? And can I use the section formula over here? So you see this y coordinate will be what, guys? 0 is equal to, you have studied the section formula, right? That will be mx2, it means k into 1, my2 I will take because we are talking about the y coordinate. So my2 plus ny1. Do you remember the formula? ny1. So 1 into 5 divided by m plus n. So that is k plus 1 over here. Now you see this will be cross multiplied and it will be equal to 0 only. So minus 3k plus 5, that is coming out to be equal to 0. Minus 3k plus 5, that is coming out to be equal to 0. So from here, can I not say that 3k is equal to 5 only? So can I not say that k is equal to 5 is to 3? So basically the required ratio over here is k is to 1, or you can say 5 is to 3 or not. Is this clear up till here, guys? So basically we already know the y coordinate. Can I find the x coordinate over here? So k is to 1, we have got to be equal to 5 is to 3 actually. You got it? So therefore x will be equal to what? It will be mx2, so that is 5 into 1 plus nx1, mx2 plus nx1, so that is 3 into 4 over here, divided by m plus n, so that is 5 plus 3 over here. So what is this equal to? 4 3s are 12 plus 5 17 by 8. So therefore the point of intersection over here is what? Point of intersection over here is 17 by 8, that is basically x comma 0, and that is equal to 17 by 8 comma 0. Is this question clear? RN, Praveen, Shahida, is it clear? Any doubt in the question? I hope this thing is clear. Let's move on and let's do some other questions, guys. So can you try and do this question? This is a direct question. Find the coordinates of a centroid of a triangle whose vertices are this. We already have done a question like this in this session itself. If the coordinates of the 3 vertices of a triangle they are given to you, can you find the coordinates of the centroid of that triangle? So the coordinates of the 3 vertices, they are 3 comma minus 5, minus 7 comma 4, and then it is 10 comma minus 2. Can you find the coordinates of the centroid? Centroid is what, guys? It is the point of intersection of the 3 medians of a triangle. Obviously I am not proving that formula over here, I am just taking it as a formula over here, right? Just have to understand. So the coordinates of the centroid is nothing but it is the mean of the vertices. So it is basically the mean, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3, the mean of the x coordinates divide over here. If you are taking mean, obviously it will be divided by 3, and the mean of the y coordinates, so that is y1 plus y2 by, y3 by 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid. So basically you just have to find that. Just put the values over here, you will get the answer. So over here the coordinates of the centroid will be what, guys? It will be, if I put the values, it will be 3 minus 7 plus 10 by 3, and then the y coordinate is equal to minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 by 3. So if you simplify, you will get the answer. What are you getting over here? So basically you see this is 13 minus 7 is 6, and that is 2. So that is 2 over here, and the y coordinate over here will be what? Minus 1. I hope this is clear. So 2 comma minus 1, they are the coordinates of the centroid of this triangle. It's a direct formula based question. I hope it is clear to you, right? Okay, so let's move on, guys. So this is yet another important question, important type of question. The midpoints of the sides of a triangle are given. You have to find the vertices of the triangle. The midpoints of the sides of a triangle, they are given. So if you have been given with a triangle like this, suppose the coordinates of the vertices, they are x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2, c x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3 over here. Okay, Now the coordinates of the midpoints they are given. Coordinates of the midpoints over here 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 0. 3, 4, 4, 1 and 2, 0 over here. I hope this thing is clear. Now can I just use midpoint formula over here? You see this thing is equal to this thing. So midpoint formula is what, guys? 3 will be equal to what? It will be x1 plus x2 by 2, correct? That is equal to 3. So can I not say over here that x1 plus x2 that is equal to 6 over here? Can I say that, guys? So that is the first equation. In the same manner, can I not say over here that x2 plus x3 that will be equal to what, guys? That will be 2 times of 4. So that is 8. This is the second equation. In the same manner, can I not say that x1 plus x3, if I see x1 plus x3 over here will be what, guys? That is 2 times of 2, so that is equal to 4. So this is the third equation over here. I hope this is clear. So using these equations, we have to find the values of x1, x2 and x3. So basically you can do using other methods as well, you can do substitution as well, it is all up to you. But one of the methods which I am explaining over here will make it very simple. Can I add the equations 1, 2 and 3 over here, guys? Can I add the equations 1, 2 and 3? So what will I get? Basically you will get 2 times of x1, 2 times of x2, 2 times of x3. So you will get 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 and that is equal to what? That is equal to 18 over here. So from here I can say that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x3 that is equal to 9 and this is the equation 4th over here. I hope this thing is clear up till here. Now basically we have to find the values of x1, x2 and x3 separately. So can I do equation 4 minus equation 1? If I do equation 4 minus equation 1 over here, so you see x1, x2 and x1, x2 will get cancelled out. So you will get x3 to be equal to what, guys? x3 is equal to 9 minus 6, that is 3. In the same manner 4 minus 2 if I will do, equation 4 minus 2 if I will do, so you see x2, x3 will be cancelled out, so I will get x1 and that is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 1 over here. In the same manner if I will do over here, suppose I am doing over here, equation 4 minus equation 3 if I will do. If I will do somewhat like this, so you see x1 and x3 will be cancelled out, x2 will be equal to 9 minus 4 that is 5. So x2 is equal to 5. So you see we already have got the x coordinates of the 3 vertices of this triangle. I hope this thing is clear. In the same manner we can find the y coordinates as well. So let us do that on the next slide, guys. So if we will use the midpoint formula over here, can we not say that y1 plus y2 is equal to 4 2s are 8 like we have done over here, guys? It's very simple. y1 plus y2 is 4 2s are 8. So let's do it over here, guys. y1 plus y2 is equal to 4 2s are 8 and this is which equation, guys? This is the 5th equation, right? In the same manner we can say y2 plus y3 is 1 into 2, that is 2. y2 plus y3 is 2 over here. y2 plus y3 is 2 over here, correct? And this is the 6th equation. In the same manner we can say that y1 plus y3 is 0 into 2, that is 0 only. So y1 plus y3 is 0. So let's do that over here. y1 plus y3 that is equal to 0. So this is the 7th equation. So in the same manner like we did for x coordinates, guys, what I will do? First I'll add all the equations, right? So can I do equation 5 plus equation 6 plus equation 7 over here? If I add these equations over here, so basically we will get 2 times of x, y1, y2, y3, right? 2 times of y1, y2 and y3 and that will be equal to 8 plus 2, 10 over here. So can I not say over here, guys, that y1 plus y2 plus y3 that is equal to 5 and this is the 8th equation. I hope this is clear. Now we have to find separately the values of y1, y2, y3. So can I take equation 8 and subtract equation 5 from that? Equation 8 minus equation 5. So what will I get? You see y1 plus y2 and y1 plus y2 will be cancelled out. So basically you will get y3 is equal to y3 is equal to 5 minus 8, that is minus 3 over here. In the same manner, if I do equation 8 minus equation 6, equation 8 minus equation 6 if I do, so you see y2 plus y3 will be cancelled out. So I will get the value of y1 over here. So y1 will be 5 minus 2, that is 3 over here, you see. In the same manner, if I do equation 8 minus equation 7 over here, what will I get? You see y1 plus y3 will be cancelled out and will get the value of y2 over here. So y2 will be what, guys? It will be 5 minus 0, that is 5. So you see we have got the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Let us write them properly. So you see the y coordinates I am writing over here first. Y coordinates, they are what, guys? You see that is 3 over here, 3 and 5, and y3 is minus 3. And what about the x coordinates from the previous slide, guys? So we have got over here 1, 5 and 3. 1, 5 and 3 we have got. So I can write over here 1, 5 and 3. So these are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle over here. I hope it is clear, Aryan, Pravesh. This is an important question actually. This type of question, it comes many a times in examinations. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. That's all we needed to do on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. For grade 10 students, we are doing Pioneer series over here. In case of any doubts or something like that, please write in the comment section after the class. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next session. Take care everybody.